fewer homes came to the market over this past week. We're down to 110 homes in inventory with a median of 47 days on the market. 35% of these sellers have reduced their sales prices since originally listing. It's Friday, December 10th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert, with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. Despite the reduced inventory, it's encouraging to see that there are a lot of homes on the market listed for sale under $300,000, putting the mortgage payments below the average area rents, which is now right up around $2,500, $2,700 per month. Notable also is that in this past week, new contracts were actually double. So that means buyers are still active in the market despite being in the holiday month. It's encouraging for those considering selling and those currently on the market. So let's look at what's happened with inventory since my last week's report. 17 homes are coming soon, reflecting a rise from last week. 17 homes are newly listed for sale, and this is also up. 19 homes went under contract. This is more than double from my prior week. 28 homes are temporarily off the market. 14 moved to pending. Again, more than double. 17 homes settled over the past week. The highest priced home to sell over the past week was this waterfront home on Bayhead for $1,710,000. There are lots of great holiday happenings around town and on the music scene. Be sure to check out my event calendar at www.kbartonrealtor.com. That's your Annapolis Market Snapshot for Friday, December 10th, 2021. Thank you for tuning in. Have a super weekend, and I'll see you next Friday. Take care.